Hello children, today we are going to learn the poem The Sugar Plum Tree. Okay, poem number 11, The Sugar Plum Tree. Children, this is an imaginary poem written by the poet Eugene Field. Name of the poet Eugene Field. In this poem, all imaginary things are there. Means it is not real. We can only imagine or see in our dreams, such as what? Sugar plum tree, lollipop sea, shut eye town. Okay, so children, first of all I will read out the poem, so listen carefully. Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? It is a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the lollipop sea, in the garden of shut eye town. The fruit that it bears, it's so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day, of that fruit to be happy next day. Students, which fruit is mentioned in this poem? Yes, plum. Plum is the fruit mentioned in this poem. I will show you the image of plum. This is plum fruit. Have you seen it before? The poet is asking us that, have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? No, we have not heard about any sugar plum tree, but we know that there is a fruit named plum. Yes or no? And plum grows on trees. Yes. So we know about plum tree. But what is meant by sugar plum tree? So according to the poet, the sugar plum means the plum is very, very sweet. It is the sweetest of all to eat. That is why the poet has named this poem as Sugar Plum Tree. Let us know more about this poem. In the first stanza, the poet says that sugar plum tree is very famous, renowned, very amazing and wonderful. It blooms on the shore of the lollipop sea, and there is a garden near this lollipop sea. See children, all imagination, huh? Lollipop sea and garden near lollipop sea. Okay, let us see that garden. This is the garden. See, it is so beautiful. There are so many flowers. And where is this garden located? This garden is located at a place named Shut Eye Town. So what the poet says that, the poet named Eugene Field says that sugar plum tree blooms near the shore of the lollipop sea in the garden named Shut Eye Town. Okay. Now what is given in the second stanza? The poet says that in the second stanza, the fruit that the tree gives is very, very sweet. That is, plum is very sweet. And all the children living in that place loves to eat this plum. So what happens when they eat? When they eat before going to sleep, very next day when they wake up, they are full of energy. They are very happy to get up. Why they are very happy to get up? To go to school. And all this happens because of that plum which grows on plum tree. Okay, which they eat before going to bed. So the poet says the plum which is available on that tree is very, very sweet as a sugar. That's why the poet has given name to this poem as Sugar Plum Tree. Okay, so children, once again I will recite this poem. Listen carefully and you also practice recitation of this poem. Okay, listen. Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? It is a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the lollipop sea, in the garden of Shut Eye Town. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day, of that fruit to be happy next day. Okay,